scalp massages or hair washes. This is a potent leaf to make a shampoo out of a natural shampoo. But the smell, that's the thing. You want to mix it with other botanicals to sort of. But I mean, if you want to do a treatment, you know what I mean? Man, what do I know about that? Bilimbi. What's the name of the fruit, guys?
Bilimbi.
Bilimbi, right. Excellent. So this fruit is loaded with vitamin C. Readily available vitamin C. So this is basically like you taking your daily dose of vitamin C by eating a piece of this fruit. All right?
A paradise beneath the sky, oh Dominica, your heart beats.
It's a soap berry, relative of kenip, lychee, rambutan, that is native to West Africa, native to Africa. All right, it was brought by Africans to the Caribbean, the seeds, and it was grown over there. In Ghana, modern day Ghana, where there's a lot of ackee trees still growing, some people use it, but a lot of people don't eat it. All right, they use it. To make it. A lot of people actually find it pretty unique.
The heart of glee, oh mango trees and sky so
Every bend, every view, there's a story told. In the island sunshine or the misty cold. Nature island vibes, come along for the ride. Cruising through the beauty that we just can't hide. Sulphur spring steaming, beaches so wide. Rivers keep on flowing like the rhythm inside.